Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is hashtag cathysowinghappiness, in which we'll have our drawing at the end of the video. Today I thought that we could decorate some of these little journals that I ran across as I was cleaning up. And it doesn't take much to really make them special. I've added some black net, a beautiful purple piece of ephemera. I think this is from My Porch Prints. A satin flower, some bling, some black lace, and then inside I popped on another digital. I thought this color went beautiful with this. I still think that's from My Porch Prints. And then on the back, it has a built-in pocket. And then, of course, you would be able to put something in the pocket. I really like the fact that these pages are stitched in. The cover is nice and firm. It's really sturdy. What a lovely little gift. This would be to give to someone, pop it into a stocking for a stocking stuffer, to give it to someone who works in an office. I just think they are lovely. Now, this is a chapter 1 paper here. I'm going to show you, I have a pack. I have this one that we're going to make today. We're going to decorate that today. Now, I found these, I don't know where I got them from. PlanAhead Journal, set of 3, 64 ruled pages, inner pocket. And it's ripped right there, so I have no idea where I got them, guys, but they're quite lovely. I wish I knew. But let's go ahead and let's decorate this one. Now, I've got some beautiful net, and I purchased this on, where did I get this from? I think I got it off the internet. All right, so I'm just going to trim this right across the top. I want some to come off the edge. I don't even care that it's not straight. In fact, I kind of like the fact that it's not straight and perfect. And I'm going to turn it this way so I could get approximately the same amount on either side, top and bottom. Maybe something like that. So I would like to cut this maybe about here. I'm sorry I'm running late again today. You know, I've been trying so desperately to to get through the whole pile of stuff that came out of my craft room that's in my front room. It's just really driving me bonkers. And so after I finished making a video, then I spend the whole rest of the day and evening trying to go through my stuff. It's unbelievable, guys. As well as I'm sure you know, if you've ever tried to organize and go through a pile of stuff and put it away and label it and sort it, like for donations and for trash and all that, it's a lot. So that's what I've been doing, you guys. I do apologize that I'm late, but I'm here now. Now, I thought this one would be beautiful on here. I do like that a lot. I have different things. Now, this is a chapter 1 paper, and I have different things. I also really like the fact of a Christmas one. And I know it's very early for Christmas, but oh my, isn't that pretty? And then look at this one. I really like that one. I think it's because the black boots and pants he has kind of all brings it together. There's even a Valentine's one, a couple of Valentines. There's another Christmas, another Valentine's. I just kind of went through to see what would pop on this background of black. I also have some bling. Now, if I go with this, I do not think I want this bling. I think I'll bring in this bling. I think this would look really pretty on that. You know, I really think that this is what I want, even though, you know, it's Christmas and all that. but I've got to start now for my Christmas things. If I don't, you guys, I will never be ready. I don't know about you guys, but I can't pop out, you know, all this stuff right at the last minute, make videos, and then, you know, run the rest of my life. I'm not that good. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to choose this Christmas one. All right, I've just taken off the little bit of white that was on there just to kind of muddle it a little bit. We can move this out of the way. And what I want to do now, what I have found is that the glue gun and black, they don't like each other very well. They really, really don't. So I'm going to try to put this net where I want it, how I want it to be. I think I want it like this. I have my glue gun, and I'm hoping that it's warm enough that we can use it. It's heated up enough. This isn't a hard project, you guys. This is very, very easy, quite simple. And it's not quite heated the way I would like, so I'm going to let it heat up just a couple more minutes. All right, I'm pretty sure it's heated up enough now. Now I am going to use my hot glue on this because I'm going on fabric, and I want to be able to keep going with my decoration. So that is why I'm using hot glue. And I'm just going to pop that down just like that. Just pressing it down so that it will go through the net. Oh my, how cute is that? All right, so I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to grab this edging right here, and I'm going to glue it onto the edge just like this. I think I'm going to do it just like the edge of the actual digital. I'm trying to think of where I got these. They might be from digitalcollage.com. They might be from there. I'm not. If anywhere, I think that's where they're from. The digital, the Sani. There, that's what I mean about that glue. Oh, you have to be so very careful with black and a glue gun. Once that dries a little bit, I can pick that little pieces off. Okay, now I'm going to get my little scissors, and I'm going to trim this right at the end of the book, just this right here, the lace. And then I'm going to switch my scissors, and I'm going to trim this down just to kind of the edge, always sticking out just a little bit from the edge of the lace. I'm going to trim this up just a tiny bit, just so it's not flapping too awful much. And like I said, I'm not worried about it being straight or anything like that. I kind of like the fact that it isn't straight. I'm going to take the corners off just a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. So, so cute. I love it. All right, so then, while I was waiting for the glue gun to heat up, I grabbed that bling, and I grabbed this satin bow. I love it. I think it really pulls out the his beard and the whatever that is on the edge, the edging of his jacket and top of his boots and all. Now I want to get just a little bit of this black net, and I don't think I want it doubled. I think I just want single layer. So my idea is to put it down here and to gather it really well and to pop that on there. Yeah, I think that's what it needs. I think it needs a little extra fluff underneath the satin bow, flower, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a flower. There, I'm just puckering it up using my little tool here. All right, we've got that finished. Then let's get this on here. Now, let's get this on here, and I get this glued up. We'll put some bling on. I'm going to tell you what is hashtag cathysowinghappiness. It's you helping me spread happiness through simple acts of kindness. Letting someone in line of traffic. I love doing that one for others, and I love having it done for me. Now, the thing is, guys, I know it's really exciting to let people in traffic, and they love it, but just let one in. Otherwise, you're going to make the people behind you very angry. We're not about, making people angry, so just let one person in. Then you could, it doesn't have to cost you anything, absolutely nothing. Just a couple minutes of time, letting someone go ahead of you at the grocery store because you have 20 items and they have 2. People love that one too. Simple acts of kindness. We don't know what people are going through, but sometimes all we need to do is show someone some act of kindness. Show someone some kindness just so they can keep going through their day. Maybe that's all they really need, to just keep going. And that's what we need to do, you guys. We need to just keep going. If you'd like to enter into the drawing for Happy Mail, I do apologize. I need to just stop cleaning and send out my Happy Mail. So I'm going to make myself do that because I think I've got 3 that I need to send out. And I do apologize. I think I've just gotten overwhelmed. I am overwhelmed with this pile of stuff that I have to go through. But I will stop and take care of my sending out my Happy Mail. So if you'd like to enter into the Happy Mail drawing, then all you would need to do is in the comment section down below, tell me your act of kindness towards another person. It does need to be towards another person. I'm going to choose this Santee because I think he goes with this Santee better than this Santee. This is Old World Santee. So I think I'm going to choose this. I'm going to pop that right on there. So tell me your act of kindness towards another person in the comment section. Make sure you're in the most recent Cathy's Sewing Happiness video. If you wish not to say what your act of kindness is, that's okay, you guys. You don't have to say what your act of kindness is. Type in spreading happiness, and that will be your entry. If you enter, please check back next Sunday to see if your name is pulled out of the fishbowl. So you enter this Sunday and you check back next Sunday to see if your name is pulled out of the fishbowl. And what do you win? You win Happy Mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward. And that's basically all there is to it, except for please don't say the name of the person who has won today's drawing. It does 2 things. Sometimes people just look at who has won, and they do not check to see how they're going to get their address to me. They get so excited because they have won, they just totally forget that they're supposed to get me their address so I can send them their Happy Mail. They know they've won. They know they never got their Happy Mail, and then, they're annoyed. Well, please don't say who's won, and then that way, hopefully, no one will see that they won and forget to send me their address. Okay, so let me finish this one up, and we can have our drawing. It's a short little video today. I just wanted to share this with you because I really think they're quick and easy and quite wonderful little gifts to be giving. If you have something like this that you're able to, I thought I had something else here. If you have something like this that you're able to decorate up a little further and make a little special, just so you could give your new acquaintance or your friend or your hairdresser or your mailman or, you know, the lady you always go to at the grocery store. You talk about brightening someone's day if they would receive something like this as a kind gesture or gift. I think it would be very special. I love them all. Now, let's have our drawing for Happy Mail. So I'm going to bring my fishbowl in here, give it a stir. I caught this fish right here. Alrighty, let's see. Who's on this piece of paper? Lollagamma. Lollagamma, you've won Happy Mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward. You guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.